prayer, we too open our hearts to everything Jesus has for us. We lay our souls bare to receive the fullness of His power. Prayer is the opening of the heart to God as to a friend. Not that it is necessary in order to make known to God what we are, but in order to enable us to receive Him. Prayer does not bring God down to us, but brings us up to Him. In all healthy relationships, there is a desire to communicate with the person we care about. Prayer opens our hearts to speak with God just like we would a close friend or companion. The upper room was a place of communion with God, a place where the disciples prayed individually and united in corporate prayer. They met together to present their requests to the Father in the name of Jesus. They knew that they had a representative in heaven, an advocate at the throne of God. In solemn awe, they bowed in prayer, repeating the assurance, "Whatsoever ye shall ask the Father in my name, He will give it to you. Hitherto have ye asked nothing in my name. Ask, and ye shall receive, that your joy may be full."